everybody, today I'm gonna make a video about my business. Maybe a new subscriber, they not know what I'm doing here in Thailand. So I just need to let you know I'm starting making business Aircon Service. Let's go see how much I take apart and how much I learn from after I go school. This is all the thing I need for work. First thing before I go make service, turn on the aircon 10 or 15 minutes. Full speed, everything. This is they call like sensor to check how cold it is. You need more gas or you have put electric in your aircon or what? Let's go see. This is the perfect aircon, don't need more gas, anything. After try to turn on 10 minutes. Now time for check if something different. Smells so good. Fresh. Perfect now, everything. See? This is my name of the company, Cool and Clean Aircon. And here I have the name of the company and the phone number. So I am very serious about this work.
0, 1. Let's get started. Yeah.